there, welcome to our channel, and today we will draw a microphone. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black color pen to draw the microphone. First of all, take your ruler and draw a straight line. And another one. Let's join them. Okay. And now draw another curved line. And one more. I'm drawing some dots so that I can draw a perfect oval. But in the middle of it, here should be a border. Uh-oh, this isn't looking perfect. That's why I used some dots. And now I'm using my pencil. And now I'm drawing some tiny rectangles with my black pen. I'm done. Let's clean all the pencil marks. And now I'm using my black marker pen. Uh-oh, this isn't enough, so I have to use my black pen. Okay, my drawing is done. And this is how you can draw a microphone within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.